people, how are you doing today? So I'm back with another video, but in this video I'm kind of doing the showing now, or at least I'm waiting on the person to get here to do the showing. But I want you guys to know, like, when you're looking at the different properties, I want you to look at like the bedrooms. Like, look at this bedroom here, so that you guys can see, like, when you're looking at the list that I give you, make sure you check out the sizes. Because like these bedrooms are pretty small, but if you guys don't like really check out the sizes, you won't really know. And then check and see if like they have a living room and dining room. So like this is like the living room, so you guys have to check like different things like that. And look at the pictures, because you'll be able to see like if it's new construction, like what type of flooring they have, in terms of if they rehabbed it. This right here is not new construction, but you'll be able to see if it's new construction, whether it's a rehab, based off the materials, or even if they did anything. So like you can see here, and like this must be a new kitchen. Like, and then I think too, they have even appliances included. So I told you guys about that before. So make sure you guys check to see like if appliances is included, because that's like very important for you guys to know, like if appliances actually included. And then two different parts of the house that have different things. Like look at this, it's carpet in this one. But then too, they have this flooring. And then they have this flooring too. So you guys just make sure you check these different things. But I like to just do a little quick walkthrough and see like key points before. Like look at these little things. This looks more like the house that my client bought last year though. It really does look just like it. But look up here too, they have a half bathroom. So that's really nice. Look at me. And like a closet. So you guys check. You should be able to see a lot of this stuff too. Like even this listing right here, you guys should be able to see a lot of this stuff online when I send you pictures. Like they have this little small closet right off of the bedroom up here. So I guess it's 3-bedroom. The bedrooms here, they're more smaller here. It's like a small petite house, but this is nice for like a single mom. They got 2 kids, or maybe she's got 1 kid. She work from home. It's a nice little space for an office. So this is like perfect for that. And when you guys do showings, do like me. Be nosy, opening like the mirrors and stuff. Opening the doors, because what if you like this house and you say you want to get it, but then you never open the doors? You're like, dang, I never knew that was in there. So y'all like really open like the doors and stuff. So yeah, y'all make sure y'all open the doors and look for like new things that they may have put in. Like this is nice. I don't necessarily can't say if it's new or not, but they have even kids across that way. So at least you know it's more kids in the neighborhood, especially if you got little ones. They got a garage, a nice size yard. It's like you see the nice size yard. And I say nice size for this area because, like I said, a lot of people too, they don't have a yard at all. So let's go in this basement. So this basement is finished too. Make sure you guys, when y'all come into different places, make sure you like stomp on the basement floor. Well, I really like how they painted this, you guys. Y'all see that? Really cool, right? That is really cool. Yeah, so hopefully you don't like it. But make sure you guys stomp on the floors to make sure that you never know what's going on underneath the floors. Like, definitely do that. And then this part right here is unfinished, which is normal. A lot of times I have part of it completely finished and some of it's not finished at all. But make sure you guys, if you guys don't have this for your basement, make sure you guys get one. It's a dehumidifier. This is what take all the moisture out your basement. Sometimes people wonder why their basement's so wet or why it's so moldy, and that's just because they need to get a dehumidifier. Like, seriously, get you a dehumidifier and you'll be cool. And a lot of people don't know what a furnace look like, especially women. This is the furnace for the house. And then this is the hot water tank. I was showing you guys that in the previous video. And then here's the furnace here. So us women, we need to learn these different things when it comes down to different parts of the house. This is the sump pump here. So that's good. This will suck up the extra water if it's like a overload or a backup of water. And this is like my house, so you guys can't really see it, but it's like room under the stairs. So that's really cool too. So it got like room under the stairs, which is really cool. And look, you guys can do this. So if you have a company, oh, it been like that, y'all. It been like that. But if you guys can close that out. So if you having company down here, you having a party, you guys can close that out. Look, you guys, they got storage right here too. This is really nice. You can store so much stuff in here, like your games, store your alcohol in here. You can put a little bar right there in that corner if you wanted to. Put a TV on this wall if you wanted to, or even on that wall. You can put a TV anywhere. And then too, they have outlets there and there, so that's really good. But look, this is finished, and then that goes into the unfinished too, you guys. So yeah, this is a nice petite house. This is a nice petite house. But I gotta do 2 more after this, you guys. So I'm gonna get off of here. I'm not gonna be on here too long. But I really like these cabinets here. I like these fixtures that's on it. And then too, do y'all want to go see that garage out there? I think we'll see the garage on the next one. I don't think we should see the garage on this one. And look, too, they even have a dishwasher here that I really like. I gotta get another one put back in my house. And then too, like I said too, I think that appliances included. But you guys, when you look through the listings, make sure you check to see if like the appliances included, like what's included with the house. Look, it's not like your average thermostat too. Look at this. And it's really nice. But yeah, it's one of the bedrooms here. It's like one of the, you guys, I guess you can get a feel of how big it may be. One of the bedrooms there. And don't forget too, y'all just make sure y'all get y'all 4 credit cards. Y'all get y'all 4 credit cards. Let me work on removing those accounts from your credit reports, all them bad accounts that you may have. Let's work on removing those bad accounts. Get your 2 installment accounts and you'll be good. That's all you gotta do. And keep the balance low. That's the key thing. Just don't spend too much on your credit cards. But I'm pretty sure you guys are used to me going through the spiel with that. If you're not, call me. I'll go through it with you personally. So yeah, just call me 833 Rickita. Definitely, and I can go through like the spiel on your credit part of it. But let me get ready, you guys, and I'll see you guys later.